Well, hey, Sugar, are you ready for the Sugar Pearls Sea Moss Challenge? By now, if you've been ordering your sea moss gel, you probably already got your elderberry sea moss from Sugar Pearls, either in the 16-ounce jar for $20 or the 4-ounce jars for $5. So when you get it out of your thermal box, put these in the refrigerator. Sea moss gel is a living food, so you want to make sure that it stays cold. And this is the one thing I always tell people: when you get your sea moss, no double dipping. Make sure you're using a clean spoon every time you dip, okay? You take the first dip, tablespoon, look at that. You can't see through that. That is rich, thick, St. Lucia Wildcrafted sea moss. Now you may be tempted after eating one scoop of this delicious treat to take that spoon and go back in again. Don't do it. Get another spoon and get another scoop if you want, okay? I'm not gonna get a whole... The enzymes from your saliva will spoil your sea moss gel, okay? So get a new spoon every time. If you want to take a second dip, clean spoon. Seal it up. Put it in a cold part of your fridge. That'll work. And that way I can see it every morning and know that I'm supposed to be taking that. Sea moss gel contains 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. And if you get a scoop of this every day, what you'll find is that your body will start to change. You'll get a little slimmer around the waist. Your blood pressure will go down. You'll feel less aches and creaks in your joints. Sea moss gel. It's a little miracle in a jar from Sugar Pearls. Food that loves you back.